Assalamualaikum everyone. Hope so you all are fine and doing well. Today we will do numerical from 9.1 to 9.3. In numerical 9.1, two unequal point charges repel each other with force of 0.4 Newton. सबसे पहले हमें दिया F1 equals to 0.4 Newton, R1 equals to 5 centimeter. So we converted 5 centimeter into meters, divided by 100 कर देंगे, which is equal to 0.05 meter. ए पार्ट में उन्होंने कहा है 2.5 सेंटीमीटर अपार्ट हमने डिस्टेंस मेक किया हुआ है, यानी R2 इक्वल्स टू 2.5 सेंटीमीटर को मीटर में कर लेंगे, 0.5 डिवाइडेड बाय 100 विच इज़ इक्वल टू 0.025 मीटर. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड फोर्सेस विद ईच चार्ज एक्सर्ट ऑन द अदर व्हेन दे आर. F2 फाइंड करना है हमने. वी हैव टू फाइंड F2. Formula of F2 equals to F1 into R1 by R2 whole square. Put values in it as F1 equals to 0.4, R1 equals to 0.05 and R2 divide 0.025. So वो डिवाइड करके स्केयर निकाल के हमारे पास आंसर आ जाएगा. डिवाइड करने के बाद 2 स्केयर ले लेंगे 4, मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. F2 इक्वल्स टू 1.6 न्यूटन. इन नेक्स्ट बी पार्ट 15 सेंटीमीटर हमने डिस्टेंस दिया हुआ है. सो R3 इक्वल्स टू, क्योंकि R1 R2 यूज़ हो चुके हैं, अब R3 की बारी. R3 इक्वल्स टू 15 सेंटीमीटर. वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट सेंटीमीटर इनटू मीटर डिवाइडेड बाय 100, 0.15 मीटर. एज डिस्टेंस इज़ 15 सेंटीमीटर, देन व्हाट विल फोर्स क्या होगी? वी हैव टू फाइंड F3. F3 equals to F1 multiply by R1 by R3 whole square. We have to put values in it. 0.4, F1 equals to 0.4, R1 equal to 0.05, R3 equals to 0.15. After divide and taking square, our answer is 0.4 into 1 multiply by divided by 9. So our answer is 0.04 Newton. In next numerical 9.2, a particle of charge 20 microcoulomb is placed between two parallel plates 10 centimeter apart and having potential difference 0.5 kilovolt between them. So सबसे पहले चार्ज Q equals to 20 microcoulomb, माइक्रो कन्वर्ट कर देंगे 10⁻⁻6. then distance equal to 10 centimeter into meter 0.10 meter. Potential difference which is given 0.5 kilovolt, which is equal to 500 volt. Firstly we have to calculate electric field between the plates. Our formula is E equals to V divided by D. We have to put values. 500 divided by 0.10, which is equal to 5000 volt per meter. Second thing which we have to calculate is electric force F. F equals to QE. Formula of electric force. SQ equals to 20 multiplied by 10⁻⁻6 and E equals to 5000. After multiply both, our answer is 100 multiplied by 10⁻⁻3, which is equal to 100 millinewton. In next numerical 9.3, the electron and proton in hydrogen atom are separated by a distance of approximately 5.3 multiplied by 10⁻⁻11 meter. R equals to 5.3 multiplied by 10⁻⁻11. Q equals to चार्ज हमें पता है इक्वल होता है 1.7 10⁻⁻19 के mass of electron, mass of proton which is constant आनी चाहिए values. K equals to also constant 9 multiplied by 10⁻9. G is also constant, gravitational constant. It is equal to 6.67 multiplied by 10⁻11. So we have to calculate ratio of electric force divided by gravitational force. So firstly we have to calculate electric force. Formula of electric force is equal to Fe equals to KQ square divided by R square. We have to put values in it. After that our answer is 8.2 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 8 Newton. In nextly we have to find force of gravitation. Fg equals to g, ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स का फार्मूला होता है F इक्वल्स टू जी एम ई, कैपिटल जी को एम ई एम पी डिवाइडेड बाय आर स्केयर. We have to put values in it. After putting values and solve, our answer is 3.6 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 47 Newton. According to statement of numerical, we have to find ratio of electric force and gravitational force. So we put Fe divided by Fg, which is equal to 8.2 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 8 divided by 3.6 multiplied 10 raised to power minus 47, which is equal to 2.3 multiplied by 10 raised to power 39. Is our answer. Thank you.